Hello. Today, I will introduce to you a product produced by our factory. XG18S-5 this excavator. An excavator. The width of the chassis is 1.1 meters. This car uses a 230 track. Stronger grip. What about this car? The largest excavation height. It's in this 3-meter full. The maximum digging depth can reach 2 meters a meter. What about our car? It uses an upper arm. Design of inverted cylinder. Not only is it more beautiful, and the whole machine digs deeper. The distance is longer. What about this car? It is equipped with a hydraulic pilot operation handle. The movement is smooth and flexible. Meanwhile, what about this car? The hitch is equipped with a counterweight of solid cast iron. Work hard. What about the engine part? What about our XG18S-5 excavator? It is equipped with a 385, a high-powered engine. The quality of the whole machine is stable. Excavating. This car is suitable for landscaping, municipal and other large and small projects. If you need this excavator, the boss can find out.